Okay, so let's start with the first class. So the training duration approximately will go around 40 hours. Okay, so it could be daily 1.5 hours, not exactly 1.5. It's 1 hour 20 minutes, 2 sessions. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So before we start the VxRail training, let's understand about a few basics concepts. Okay, like basic concept in the sense evaluation of VxRail, evaluation of VMware, then evaluation of IT infrastructure. When I tell about this evaluation, we need to understand like for the last 14 years from 2010 to 2014 how this
Yes.
IT infrastructure has been evolved from VxRail perspective, VMware, and IT infrastructure perspective, so that you can have a clear understanding when we implement this VxRail in a data center. Because when we implement VxRail in a data center, you should have a clear understanding of VMware, then your data center IT infrastructure, and finally VxRail. Okay, so let's
Okay.
start with evaluation of VxRail first. So this evaluation of VxRail, like this VxRail product was launched in the market in the year of 2016.
16 only. Oh, yeah.
Okay, and this VxRail is an merger of two companies. One is Dell, another one is EMC.
EMC.
Okay, VMware is a partner.
Yeah.
Okay, because see, Dell secured EMC in the year of 2016, right? So
Yes.
it's called as Dell EMC now. Okay, so VxRail has launched on 2016, but before that, EMC has hold an hyper-converged server in the name of Bluepex.
Blue Pix.
Okay, VSpex Blue. So this was the earlier product which is used by VMware. Sorry, not VMware. EMC. Okay, so this is one of the hyper converged server, whereas EMC has tried to include storage inside the server. Okay, because like EMC is a specialized company who is manufacturing most of the storage devices, right? Because they're
Yeah.
one of
Yes.
the
Yes.
major player in market for
The
storage
storage.
devices. So what they
Yes,
tried
exactly.
initially is like they tried to build an server with the inbuilt storage on it. Okay, that is called as VxSpecs Blue. That helped Dell EMC to develop a product called VxRail. Okay, so the base for VxRail is this VxSpecs Blue. Okay, so this is a product. People who worked in that year, like from 2012 to 2014, they might have seen this servers in the market. Okay. And later on, like VMware announced a project called VMware VxRail. Okay. And they invited most of the major vendors in the market to participate in it. And then they clearly told they're going to develop a software defined storage, and they need the hardware vendors support uh, to launch that software defined storage in the market. Okay, out of 7 to 8 major vendors, the only vendor who involved deeply with VMware is this Dell EMC. Okay, and they run this project for more than a year, I think. Okay, after that, they launched a product called VxRail with vSAN, because this VxRail is a dedicated hardware used only for vSAN. Okay, so the base for that is VMware has initiated a project called VMware VxRail. Out of this project, they performed some R&D and they launched a product called VxRail with vSAN. So this project name VMware VxRail. Okay, the full expansion for that is evolution, reliable, adaptive, integrated life cycle management. That is the full expansion for VxRail.
VxRail.
Okay. So this
So
is
vSAN is product of EMC or VMware?
vSAN is a product of VMware, not EMC.
Yeah.
EMC, like Dell EMC, only the hardware part.
Hardware part. Yeah.
Okay, so what they're doing is initially they're conducting an R&D, and Dell EMC has helped VMware with the complete hardware part. Okay, and they got succeeded on it, and they launched a product called VxRail with vSAN. Okay,
vSAN.
in order to launch that product, the project which helped them is this VMware VxRail. Okay, initially this has been launched as VMware VxRail for a testing purpose in the market. Okay, and by 2016 it has been announced that testing will be stopped going forward, and going forward you can use the product as VxRail with vSAN. Okay, so this is the base for VxRail, how VxRail came into the market. And this is like how Dell and EMC has merged together. Okay, that is in the year of 2016 September, because EMC is specialized in storage devices and Dell is specialized in servers. Okay, so they merged together and created a product called VxRail. Not only VxRail, they have many hardwares uh, with this. After acquiring EMC, they have manufactured many hardwares. I'll show the hyperconverged portfolio later in the upcoming slides. Okay, so this is just an introduction to VxRail, how it got introduced in the market. Okay,
Market, yes. Yes.
so let's understand the evaluation of VMware. Okay, so VMware, like it's in the market from 2000, and earlier we used GSX, and later on we moved on to ESX, then ESXi, right? So as an admin, where we are now in the market, okay, because people who started their career in the year of 2008, they might have worked in this V1 virtual infrastructure. Like we'll be having a rack server. In that rack server, we'll be installing ESXi, then we'll be installing a vCenter, and we'll be managing the virtualized platform. This is called as V1 virtual infrastructure. Okay, and later VMware has get into this V2 hyper converged infrastructure. Okay, whereas they have introduced an vSAN storage concept, that is in the year of 2013 14.
So 13 is vSAN is launched.
Yeah, around 2013, I think. Okay. Okay, and that time, like launch means like not exactly in the market. Okay, but they did some R&D, right? Because till 2014 some R&D was performed, and not all the customers in the market started using this vSAN, because till 2013, if you take the customers hardware, they used rack servers and enclosures are there. Okay, after that they started moving to hyperconverged in the year of 2015-16. That time only hyperconverged servers are procured by customers. Okay, so this V2 hyperconverged concept, whereas VMware has included vSAN, whereas software defined storage has been included in the VMware platform. Okay, the best example for hyperconverged infrastructure is Dell EMC VxRail. Okay, so as an admin, if you would have started your career in the year of 2008, you might have worked in V1 till 2013. After that, you should have moved to this V2, that is Dell EMC VxRail with vSAN. Okay, that is launched in the year of 2016. So 2016 to 2024, just count the number of years. It's almost
8 years.
8 years. Okay, and after 8 years, you are trying to learn Dell EMC VxRail. Okay, now
Yes.
as admin, where you are now? So you are in V2. You just enter
V2.
into learning hyperconverged infrastructure. Still, you are having a
Yes.
long way to travel to get into the market requirement. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is about evaluation of VMware